So it says let's replace the ins pulling into C from that file with a member function get C. Remember, the .get is a member function of our string class, which is the stream class. And so in_s is our object. So modify the program we just made by replacing the condition of that while loop with the .get function. And then run it and observe what happens. So I just replaced it. I'm going to run it. It has to build again. And observe what happens. So now we see the contents came through exactly as they were written, with the new lines, with the space in between, with all the spaces between words. So that looks great. The get function, rather than the just the extraction operator, worked much better for written text. Does it produce the correct output? Yes. And the member function get and put, or sorry, the member function get allow us to do that. We also have the member function put that allows us to output correctly. And so one option is we could read in, doing what we did here, read everything in with get, but I'm going to undo that, and instead I'm going to use the put command right here. So that needed to be replace cout C with put C, cout.put C. And we can run and see that so we either need to use our member function at the input side or the output side. So input.txt, and then that did not actually work because the information was lost at that input. So it can't be one or the other. You do need to use the get in order to correctly capture all the spaces. All the spaces and line breaks. So let's do that. But instead of cout and the operator, you can use cout and the put command. And it does the same thing as using the standard cout output that we use right here. So you can use put, you can use this operator. We'll continue to use this operator, but remember that you do have put C if you ever need that for some reason. For now, there's no reason why we need it. Later when we talk about strings, we may. So that was exercise 5, was to make that modification.